Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting right at the system. Power the Patrol to ACC so the head unit is active, then enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep it discoverable. On the Nissan display, navigate immediately to Settings, select Bluetooth, and choose Add New Device or Pair Phone. Do this now so both devices can find each other. The car searches for nearby devices as soon as you pick Add New Device. Keep your phone within a couple of feet to avoid intermittent discovery problems. Once the Patrol displays nearby devices, tap your phone's name. That tells the head unit to initiate pairing. A PIN or pairing code will appear on both the screen and your phone. Confirm they match, because that prevents accidental connections to other devices. After you verify, accept or confirm the pairing on both the car and the phone. Make sure to allow call and contact access when prompted so hands-free calling and phone book sync work. Once accepted, the system will finalize the secure link. You should see a confirmation like connected, and the Bluetooth icon appears on the Patrol display. That means audio and call functions are ready. Set your phone to auto-connect so future trips pair automatically, and in Bluetooth settings, prioritize audio and calls if you want both active. If the connection fails, a quick restart often clears glitches. Power cycle the phone and turn the vehicle off and on, then retry pairing. If problems persist, remove old pairings on both devices and repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.